What up, YouTube? This is 34 Skyline. I'm just letting you guys know my Pro Display XDR came a day early. So the unboxing video will be up later this week because I'm unboxing a lot of stuff. So I'm going to put it all together. So again, it will be up by probably around Saturday or Sunday. Okay, just letting you guys know. And in this short video that my Pro Display XDR is here. So everything showed up. My Pro Display XDR is here, my Mac Pro is here, and my Pro stand is here. So everything now is my setup is complete. Now I need to find some good ass speakers to go along with it. And yeah, I know my computer setup's on the floor. I just moved into a new home, so everything's not set up right now, but it'll be right once I get everything set up. Again, this is a short video, just letting everybody know my Pro Display XDR is here, and I love it. I'm glad I waited to buy a display. You guys got to see this display in person. All right, again, the video will be up later this week. All right, peace out. Thanks for you guys' support. Peace.